I've been suffering from this condition known as writer's block. What do I say? What should I say? I don't know what to say. And I guess it's okay. What kind of video should I upload? This is a question I ask myself multiple times a day. It's kind of like the same thing when you wake up and you ask, what outfit should I wear? That's just how it is. The life of me. Sometimes it helps if I walk out into the open air and finally, at last, peace and quiet. Then I hear something as I settle in. I start to feel a presence. I'm not alone. I'm never truly alone. I hear something. It might be a bird, it might be a cricket. Then I hear water, frogs rustling in the leaves, and I'm surrounded by the very same spark that brought each one of us into existence. The presence is everywhere. There's no feeling quite like realizing just how little you really are. And when you hear everything that's actually going on around you, a bird makes a noise. It draws your attention. You settle in admiration. You get to thinking, what a big year 2019 has been. It seems like yesterday when it was 2011. Everybody was talking about the Mayan calendar and how it's ending. What did it mean? Is it some warning or representation of our pending non-existence? Back on January 3rd, I featured Florida's rainbow snake, a species that was particularly vulnerable to human encroachment, a species that has now been declared extinct. We learned about Puma concolor corii, Florida's panther, and how it was unique, and isolated from all other populations of pumas, mountain lions, and panthers, which by definition, reproductive isolation means we are dealing with a separate species. In 2008, the distinction of critically endangered species was taken away. Scientists said that this species was just the same as Puma concolor, lacking genetic variation. I'm sure you can imagine the implications. We learned about the American alligator, a species that has survived being critically endangered and once again thriving. We learned about different canines, Florida's black wolf, the red wolf, and coyote. How Florida's black wolf is now extinct, the red wolf is on the brink, and coyote is still surviving. Actually, the coyote is thriving. We educated everyone about snakes, the good ones and the ones that are just misunderstood. We helped draw attention to 101 whales left to freeze in whale jail. And because of people like each one of us, this November, 98 of those intelligent caring creatures saw their release date. We were there when they rediscovered Wallace's giant bee, and we all saw hope in the rediscovery of a uniquely evolved species that was once thought to be extinct. This is 2019. I gave it all I could. I gave everything. I received stings from a bark scorpion, potted wasp, stung on the lip by a bumblebee, bitten by Florida's giant swamp centipede, stung by the dagger moth caterpillar, velvet ant, Ichneumonid wasp, black and yellow mud dauber, stung on the lip by Palesi's metricus. But I still feel like that's not enough. I'm Alex with the Great Outdoors. This beautiful species is completely harmless. We learned how the pigeon horntail wasp, also known as the giant trimex, or wood wasp, don't sting, and how the robber fly is truly the king. I told y'all about my dreams. We're working to plant 20 million seeds. We learned how one seed can make a difference. We gave many animals new hope by feeding them and pulling them off the road. We saw how preservation efforts brought back 400 nesting pairs of bald eagles with a little assistance. This year we uploaded 60 videos and gained 1,700 new subscribers, with 294,000 views and over 600,000 minutes of watch time. The increments might seem small when viewed up close, but when we zoom out, I feel like one channel can make a difference. It only takes one action, one impression to make a huge difference. I have no doubt the Great Outdoors will keep growing. And I still haven't showed you what the icing on the cake really is. 2020 is going to be a year that we make our biggest difference, with more videos to add to what I still consider just a foundation. Preservation will be more prevalent and misinterpretations will be squashed with better education. Newfound passions that will spread across the nations.